Hi all, welcome to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. This is for those who want to learn PowerShell. Now we will go through PowerShell commands. Before going to PowerShell commands, we need to launch PowerShell. For that, go to search, type PowerShell and open it. I'm clicking on run as administrator. Click on yes. Now we're able to see PowerShell window. Our first command is date. It will display current date and time. To display only date, we can use get-date space hyphen display hint space date. I have changed the background color so that we can see the commands properly. Once again, we will see to get the date, we will use the command get-date. To get the date alone, we will use get-date hyphen display hint space date. Here we will get the date alone. To get the time alone, get-date space hyphen display hint time. We will get the time alone. If you want to get both, we'll use the get-date and we'll try date time what will happen. So this one also will return normal get-date result only. We will try to see more functions in date. Get-date space hyphen format space G to get a general date and time. This is a general format. We will format further. Here we are trying to get date alone with a different format. We used get-date hyphen format and we give year, month and date. Now we will add time as well to that. We'll see what will happen. Now we have added hours, minutes and seconds as well. Now we received date and time in a different format. Usually we'll be seeing this kind of date and time format in our logs. Now I'm adding one more parameter. We'll see what happens. Now we are getting day as well. Now I'm giving dd alone. We'll see. So we are getting the day. Now we are getting the date, time and day. Now I'm removing this day. So this how we'll be seeing in a logs. This way, or I'm removing hyphen. We'll see this kind of also. This is all about date, like getting date information